So, me and Thomas. Yes, Thomas, go and put your name. I've done it. Tell him I've done it. Right, anyway, we are at altitude. In the Little Down Centre. Never done this before, so I thought I would vlog it. So I don't know if you can see up there. It's quite high. Are you scared, Thomas? Look how high it is.
I'm not gonna lie, I am a little bit scared, yes. And I quite like heights, so.
Oh, I do as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's, you know what? I'll say that it doesn't really bother me, but when I get up there, I might cry like a little girl.
If it does cry, I'll take off this whole stuff to show you.
Huh? Well, I'm going to have it on my chest, so what I see, you guys are going to see.
And also, Dad, just right now, I dare you to, when we're up there, climb down the rope to the very bottom and then go back.
Climb down.
Do you see the rope wall?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, all right.
Yeah, go down it and go
Yeah.
If we
all right, anyway. So, I'm hoping that I don't have to bleep many names out because obviously I'm here with the Scouts.
Yeah.
We can't put Scouts names on YouTube. It's just Scouts policy, that's all. So yeah, this is going to be fun, guys.
Let's do this.
Do it.
Let's do it.
I'm going to take you on a little tour quickly before we do anything. I've got my strap. You winced out.
We're stout.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Right. So I take it we go up there, all the way at the top.
That looks fun. I like your part, by the way. That's well fun.
Anyway.
Dad.
Yes.
If we're gonna go anywhere, we've got to climb that bit. Oh my god.
Okay. Right then. I'll see you in a bit. Right. So it turns out they don't allow GoPros at altitude, which is absolute load of rubbish. They can't tell me why. They said, oh, it's for insurance purposes. I did say, look, I accept responsibility for my own GoPro. Oh, it's not that, it's insurance. I'm like, well, what? Tell me more. What do I need to know? If you just say insurance means nothing to me. Anyway, they just said, no, sorry, it's insurance. Anyway, so I'm going to leave the GoPro down here and I'm going to do a time lapse. So enjoy, guys. So I bottled out of the second story. Well, I got to, where did I get to? I got to there, and then And then I went all light-headed, and I'm feeling a bit sick. I couldn't make it any further, but I tried. And then with this, I can't remember what it's called, when it's just a free fall. I got to that edge and thought, no, this isn't for me. Anyway, so I did. I bottled out. Sorry, guys. But let's take you and show you some of the other guys coming. Apologise for the wind.
Triplet! Hand out on imaginary flag. No, not the blanket. Left hand up. And make the shout sign. Thomas? Yeah, like that.
Repeat after me. On my honour. I promise that I'll do my best. To do my duty to God, to God and the Queen.
I will do my duty to God and the Queen.
To help other people.
Help other people.
And to keep the Scout law.
To keep the Scout law.
Please.
Give me your next fire, sir.
No.
Yeah.
It's always tricky.
Yes, well, I did it upside down with the phone. Yeah, just tuck it into your shirt. And try not to jump it. Just there. Yes.
Salute the troop. Troop, salute back. Troops. Tease. Well done.
So you jump in now?
Hang on.
Oh yeah, no.
Welcome to Russian Scouts.
Thank you. I want handshake.
Was that with a right hand?
Left hand, we do it left-handed Scouts. Okay.
Right, off you go.
Just naturally. Only a little push. Wait, am I pushing you?
No, you're not pushing.
I was about to say. I'm not pushing you.
Are you ready? Wait there 1 second.
Who's doing the best, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Luke, can you do this on the way off? Yeah? The camera.
Come on, Luke, do the Scout sign when you're going down.
Right, I'm behind you. I'm behind you.
Luke, stand at attention with the scout sign. Go up.
Ready?
On your way down. Jump. Yes! Luke's now invested to Boston Scout Group.
They made me walk all the way to the bushes to have a pee, and there's a toilet right there. Right, I'm going to get the leaders coming down here now. Behind the gate, yeah? Who's this? This is Kyron. Right, we're going to end the vlog here. So, did you enjoy yourself, guys? Yeah. Thomas, did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
You're so good.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. Subscribe to my channel quickly, please.